Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden clocks. Wooden clocks epitomize a harmonious fusion of timeless craftsmanship, natural beauty, and functional elegance. Crafted from a diverse array of wood types, be it oak, walnut, maple, or cherry, these timepieces showcase the innate allure of the material, each piece possessing a unique grain pattern and a character that tells a story of craftsmanship. At the heart of a wooden clock lies its exquisite design, ranging from minimalist to ornately detailed. These clocks cater to diverse tastes and interior aesthetics. Some feature sleek clean lines with unembellished faces and simple numerals, embodying a contemporary and understated elegance that complements modern decor. Others boast intricate carvings, geometric patterns, or ornate engravings, evoking a sense of tradition and craftsmanship that aligns with classic or vintage styles. The warmth and richness of wood add a captivating dimension to the ambience of any space, whether adorning the walls of a cozy living room, a sophisticated office, or a rustic cabin. Modern clocks bring a touch of nature indoors. The organic textures and earthy tones of wood create an inviting atmosphere, contributing to a sense of comfort and tranquility. Functionality merges seamlessly with artistry of wooden clocks. The clock faces, typically made from materials like brass, stainless steel, or painted wood, provide a striking contrast against the wooden frame. Whether the hands are sleek and minimalist or intricately designed, they enhance readability while adding to the clock's visual appeal. Beyond their aesthetic allure, wooden clocks serve a fundamental purpose, telling time with precision and reliability. Be it a classic round shape, a contemporary square design, or a unique geometric silhouette, these timepieces grace walls in homes and public spaces, not just as functional items, but as symbols of refined craftsmanship and enduring beauty. Installing a wooden clock can transform the ambience of a room. Large statement-making clocks serve as focal points, drawing attention and anchoring the space with their presence. Smaller, intricately designed clocks add a touch of sophistication, seamlessly integrating into existing decor while still making a distinct impression. The versatility of wooden clocks extends beyond their decorative role. They make thoughtful and enduring gifts, perfect for housewarmings, weddings, or anniversaries. Their timeless appeal ensures they remain cherished possessions, passed down through generations as cherished heirlooms. Wooden clocks are not merely timekeeping devices. They are statements of artistry, craftsmanship, and functionality. Their presence on a wall is more than a display of time. It is a testament to the seamless integration of form and function, adding depth, character, and a touch of sophistication to any space while standing the test of time in both style and utility. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.